In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a board on Pinterest. First, open your browser and search for Pinterest. Type the word Pinterest into the search bar and press enter. On most screens, the official Pinterest site appears at the very top, and you will see the familiar red Pinterest logo next to the link. If you see results for news or images, ignore those for now and focus only on the main Pinterest website result. Once you see the results page, click the correct Pinterest link and sign in. When the Pinterest homepage opens, you will see a simple sign-in area with options to continue with email or another sign-in method. Enter your login details and confirm. After a moment, your Pinterest home feed appears, filled with pins based on your interests. This is how you know you are signed in and ready to create a board. Next, click the profile photo. Look toward the top of the screen, usually on the right side, for a small circle with your photo or a colored placeholder. Click that circle once. The view switches from the home feed to your personal profile page. Here you will see tabs like Created and Saved, along with any boards you already have. A beginner tip here, your profile area is where all your boards live, so whenever you want to organize pins, you will start from this space. From there, click Create in the top left corner, then choose Create Board. At the top left of your profile page, you will see a button labeled Create. Click it, and a small menu opens. In that menu, select Create Board. As soon as you click it, a panel or pop-up appears asking for details about your new board. The background usually fades slightly, which is a clear sign you are working in the board creation window. Now, enter a name for your board. In the name field, click once and type a short, clear title, like Recipes to Try or Home Office Ideas. The name you choose is how you will recognize this board later when you save pins. Take a moment to spell it the way you want, since this name will also appear on your profile under the board thumbnail. With the name in place, check the box for Keep this board secret if you do not want anyone else to see it. When this box is checked, only you and any collaborators you later invite can view the board. On screen, you will notice a small note explaining that secret boards do not appear on your public profile or in search. If you are planning a surprise event or collecting personal ideas, this option keeps everything private. If you leave the box unchecked, the board will be visible on your public profile. Finally, click Create. As soon as you click, the pop-up closes and your new board opens, usually showing an empty grid ready for pins and a clear button to start saving ideas. You will also see the board name at the top, and if it is secret, a small lock icon appears beside it. Now you have successfully created a new Pinterest board, ready for organizing all your ideas. So if this helped you get set up, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more quick Pinterest guides.